Companies paid taxes based on the total revenue they brought in, even though suppliers had also paid taxes on the money they had earned. That had many companies complaining about double taxation. Under the new rules, companies only pay based on the value they had added to the good, not the total sales price.
Those customers can also include a very important part of our economy system, which is a manufacturing company. If we can get rid of this double taxation, they can also create some benefit for manufacturing company. It can help to optimize our overall microeconomy system.
Since the rules were put into place on a trial basis in 9 areas in January 2012, they have saved domestic companies 40 billion yuan a year in taxes. And with the rules expanding, they could save companies 120 billion yuan this year. But in transportation industry, it seems a different story. Shipping companies are complaining about an increase in their tax rates from 3% sales tax in the past to 11% value-added tax. They plan to increase their prices, which will undermine the benefits other companies had hoped to get from tax reform.
Currently, the system design has some element which is not very favorable to the transportation companies. If I want to purchase some transportation services from overseas companies, whether or not that part, that payment, that purchase can be allowed to make any credit or deduction from my tax payment. So that's something I think the system needs to be more in the future to be improved.
The tax reform now only includes 2 major industries, transport and services, because they're the easiest to begin with. But the reform will expand to other fields in the future. Zhang Tao, ICS4 CCTV, Shanghai.